of smuggling activities that is happening across Meghalaya.
NPP and Congress candidates from East Shillong, Amperine Lingdo and Manuel Badbar, and TMC candidate from Umroi, George B. Lingdo, on Friday got engaged in a fiery debate on several issues ranging from unemployment to coal mining as the state inches closer to the assembly elections on February 27th. Participating in the panel discussion titled DD Dialogue, organized by DD Meghalaya at MIIT complex in Dhankheti, the three legislators threw verbal punches at each other in their bid to counter the claims and allegations and to justify and clarify their stand on different issues. In the second session of the program, Alan Dakar of UDP, Pan Borlang Rintathyang of HSPDP and Dr. Batskem Mirbo of VPP debated on various issues. The program will be telecast on DD Meghalaya at 8 p.m. on Sunday. And now here is the weather report.